After 7 washing cycles and 4 hours of processing, the agricultural waste has become something almost unrecognizable. Before a single fiber can touch human skin, every trace of sugar, pesticide, and field contamination must—
Only 60% of harvested bagasse is pure enough to become textile. The rest burns. Literally.
Right here, this exact moment. This is where the story of your underwear begins, not in a cotton field. This solvent is the key that unlocks sugarcane fiber's potential as a textile. It was discovered in 1970.
This sheet. This is your underwear. You just can't see it yet.
Supplements. Not all pulp is equal. Standard paper pulp is 85% what this factory lows. From a 3-meter sugarcane stalk to 1,500 meters of finished thread, the journey is almost complete.
Liquid is a carefully controlled bath of sulfuric acid. It's what shocks the liquid cellulose back into a solid state.
This is the moment of rebirth. The sugarcane, which was a solid, became a liquid. Now that
This is called the ECF process, elemental chlorine-free bleaching. And it is the difference between industrial fiber
much pull through. The fabric is ready, dyed, finished, tested. What happens next is where most people's understanding of underwear diverges. This instrument reads color 1,000 times per second. A human color expert takes 3 seconds to make the same judgment.
Before any string can be assembled, the fabric must be dyed to within an invisible margin of color accuracy.
This roll of fabric will yield 300 string underwear. It took 4 hours to knit. It will take 12 minutes to cut.
Every stitch in your underwear was made by a needle moving faster than the human eye can follow. Slowed down 20 times, you can finally see what happens 800 times per minute.
200 machines. Each machine, 2,400 needles. Each needle moving 800 times per minute.
Recovery, 97.8%. Within specification.
Every liter of dope passing this sensor has been tested 1,400 times by automated systems before a human ever sees it. A single undissolved cellulose particle in this solution can block a spinning nozzle with 500 holes. One blockage means 500 broken fibers.
This is dissolved sugarcane, liquid cellulose, a sugarcane field liquefied, and in approximately...
If this solution is too thick, the spinning nozzles clog. Too thin, and the fibers snap before they form. Unlike traditional textile solvents that are discarded after use, poisoning rivers and ecosystems, NMO is This liquid, called black liquor, contains everything removed from the fiber. Most factories burn it to generate
Inside this reactor, bagasse fiber is being cooked in a sodium hydroxide solution, hot enough to dissolve the molecular bonds holding the plant together.